Hello everyone, this is Professor Raghvendra Adhyabak, KLS Kukti College of Commerce, Belagavi. So in the last class, we were discussing about some problems on calculation of equity, value of the equity, correct? So in today's class, we are going to see the problems if there is growth rate, okay? So if there is any growth rate in the dividends, then how we are going to calculate the value of the stock, that we are going to see in this problem. Okay, so we'll see the problem now. Suppose dividends on a stock today are rupees 5 per share, and dividend are expected to grow at the rate of 5% per year. If the required rate of return is 8%, what is the value of share of stock? Okay, so this given here, dividend amount is given, growth rate is given, and required rate of return is also given. Okay, with that, what they asking, what is the value of the stock or share, correct? So in case of growth rate, we use the following formula to calculate the value of the stock. Okay, so formula is P naught is equal to D naught into the bracket 1 plus G divided by R minus G. Okay, so we'll see what is one by one about D naught, G, and R. So D naught indicates that dividend. Okay, how much dividend we are receiving. Next is G. G is nothing but our growth rate. Okay. Next is R. R is nothing but required rate of return. Okay. So in this formula, we know that what all the things denotes what. Okay. So now we will find out these values. Okay. D naught. So what is D naught indicates? It is dividend. Okay. So in this problem, how much is the dividend? In the first line, they clearly given the dividend is paid rupees 5. Correct. So D naught is 5. Okay. Bracket 1 plus G. What is G? We already know that G is nothing but our growth rate. Correct. So in the second line of the problem, they clearly given expected to grow at a rate of 5%. So how much is the growth rate? 5%. So that 5% we convert into decimal for the calculation purpose. Okay. So when we convert the 5% into decimal, it become 0.05. Correct. Divided by R. So what is the R? Required rate of return. Correct. So in the third line they given, if the required rate of return is 8%. Correct. So they given the required rate of return. How much it is? 8%. Again, this will convert it into decimal, that is 0.08 minus G. So already G we know that 0.05. Okay. So if we simplify this, we get the answer as 175. Okay. So you have to get the value as 175. So that is nothing but our value of a share. Okay. So same kind of one more problem is there. This is for homework. Just try to solve this, and if there is any query in that, you can contact me.